Today's math strategy video is count on and count back to add. So our first example problem here says 5 children are playing ball. 3 children leave. How many children are still playing ball? So I'm going to draw my 5 children right here. They're just going to be little stick figures. They're not amazing. I'm not an artist. So here are my 5 children. I'm going to count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put their number on up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this might help me. So I have my 5 children. It says 3 children leave. So when it says leave, that makes me think about like take apart, take away. I'm going to be subtracting. So if I take my 3 children and they leave, think about what do I have left here? This right here is what I have left. And this actually is 2 children right here. So I can write that as a number sentence. So if I had 5, take away 3 or subtract 3, I have 2 left. So 2 children are still playing ball. Now, I can also think about this as addition. So if I know that I have 3 children right here, and I know that I have these 3, I can think about what can I add to get to 5. So if I did not have these numbers, because maybe I don't know, think about, okay, so 3, 4, 5. So this would be 4, and this would be 5. And that's actually 1, 2 hops. So if I had 3 plus my 2 hops, that would give me 5 total. So now I can model this as a subtraction sentence or an addition sentence. Let's look at another problem. Okay, so this problem says 7 bears are playing in the woods. 4 bears leave to go home. How many bears are still playing in the woods? So what I'm going to look at first are these 7 bears, and I'm going to go ahead and just pick them out first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure they're nice and even in a little row here. And I'm going to take the rest of these, and I think I'm going to delete them, because I don't want to get confused. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to label these too. So I'm going to write out our number path. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now the next part of this, it says 4 bears leave to go home. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to turn these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, red. That way I know that these have left, like these 4 little bears are gone. And then I want to know how many are still here with me. So how many yellow do I still have here? Well, I have 1, 2, 3. So I can write that as a subtraction sentence. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now, I can also think about this. Let me turn these back to yellow. Let me erase this. Now, I can also think about this as a addition sentence. So I already know that I have 4 bears here. Now I know I need to get to 7. So I can start with these 4, and then I can think about what do I need to add to get to 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to label these 5, 6, 7. So here I can make an addition sentence. So I have these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 plus these 1, 2, 3, the 3 red. So I have 4 yellow chips and then 3 red chips, and that equals 7. So I have a subtraction sentence and an addition sentence to go with this problem. That is the end of today's strategy video.